Hi, I'm here to show you how to build a dust barrier between rooms. This is the room that I built my dust barrier with a little tape and a little plastic. So what are we doing? We're repairing this. It's going to make some dust. I'm going to scrape off this and over here. And so I'll keep this door closed. And then all I did was take tape and I ran it down the edge of the woodwork. But look what I'm doing. I'm leaving half of it exposed, right? After that, I take painter's plastic that I got from Sherwin-Williams. You can get this at Home Depot or Lowe's. And all you're gonna do is take the edge of it. You're gonna start taping it at the top corner all the way down, right up against that tape. And then on the edge where you have too much plastic, all you do is roll it up toward the wall that you're protecting, toward the room that you're protecting, and just bunch it together. You can see it through the plastic. And there you have it. No dust. Okay, that's how you do it, and that's how I want you to do it. And then you have a nice protection for that room. On the bottom, I didn't put any tape because the wind is blowing out, so you can assume nothing will go in. See you on the next one.